Edo government ready Gidigba for sport matter as Shaibu receive 5th Commonwealth medalist. Edo state government don talk say they committed to ensure the progress of athletes and to support them to win ogbonge awards and con still bring more glory come the state. Edo state deputy governor, Right Honourable Comrade Shaibu, talk this one for Tuesday for the visit wey Faith Obazuaye, Commonwealth bronze medalist, come do for government house. Una go remember say for August this year, Faith Obazuaye win the bronze medal for the para-table tennis for the Commonwealth Games for Birmingham, United Kingdom. Shaibu come throway salute give her for wetin she do for the Commonwealth Games and come still make the state proud. E come still talk say they don build ogbonge facility for the Samuel Ogbomudia Stadium for them to train wella and say other states and countries dey come use am sake of the ogbonge facilities they don put in place. Shaibu come chook mouth on top the sports festival wey dey happen for Asaba, say Edo don tanda Gidigba to win am.
I want to congratulate you for making us proud in the just concluded Commonwealth Games in Birmingham. We are lucky and happy that we have former gold medalists in the Commonwealth Games and record holder in the long jump being the chairman of the Sport Commission now. So already our name is gradually being synonymous to winning medals and being here. And you have just proved that by this medal that you have won. So we want to once again congratulate you and to say we are happy about it, and to through you also to other athletes that for your career you have to train, you have to be very serious about it. And when you are serious about your career through training and training and training, the rewards are always enormous. Today, you are not only recognized by us in Edo, you are recognized by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and you have been given a national honor. That is one thing that a lot of people in their lifetime, they cannot even place their hand and talk well of being on that podium to receive the honor. But most importantly, that in the mix of the whole Commonwealth nation, you climb that podium to receive a medal, and our flag, the flag of the country, is also there. It's something that everybody and every athlete is proud of. So we are very proud of you. And to say we continue to support all of you and through you to the other athletes that they should take their training and their various sporting activities very seriously. And when they do that, obviously honors like this will continue to flow. We have built facility for training. We should take advantage and the opportunity that is here. Other states, other countries are coming to use these facilities now. So if other states, other countries, other both federal and agencies are now coming to use our facilities for training, it shows that we have the best of the equipment that can bring out the best of you. Today we are proud of you. We are also proud of Amoso, the 100-meter hurdler. She came here to train. She won to qualify from here. And after all the training here, she became world champion. So through you now, I'm telling others, we that are from here, we Edo people, and all of us that are athletes in these states, representing these states, you don't have any choice not to win, because you have the facility that can put you in that big podium. You have proven it, and by the grace of God, I know others will want to be like you now, and we have always done well as far as para games are concerned. And I know, as an athlete, that red jersey, we cherish it more than any other jersey in the world. When we wear that red jersey, there's a spirit extra spirit, extra strength that we derive when we wear that red jerseys. And I know as we go into sport festival, we will go and reclaim our number one position. Prayer and wish for you is to see you in the Olympic podium, being decorated with medal. And after the medal, you receive that bouquet. I always enjoy the bouquet aspect. No matter where you just collect that bouquet. And wherever we can do to support you and others, just know that that is why we are your government, and that's why you voted us to do. Sport has to be in a dome.
Yusuf Ali, wey be the chairman for the Edo Sports Commission, come throway salute give the government for their ogbonge support to the state athletes. E come still talk say dem dey look forward to the Olympic Games for France. E come pray say Faith go do well and come back come still present her medal.
I'm so glad that an indigene, she trains here, she works here, and now she has come to meet with Her Excellency to show the medal she won at the Commonwealth Games. And on that note, Your Excellency, that shows the good work. What we have at the Govument Stadium is not what people will just look and go by. It's a testimony of the facilities that we have in the country. It's very a show for us to say thank you and well done. Now look forward for you to the Olympic Games in France. Hopefully you will do well.
Faith Obazuaye, wey be the Commonwealth bronze medalist, come throway salute give the government for their ogbonge support. She come still talk say na goal she dey work towards, but the bronze medal show say she don improve and she go do her best for other competitions wey dey come.
I went for this last Commonwealth Games in Birmingham. Getting there, I participated and I do my best. Came back home with bronze medal. I came here to show appreciation to my government, Governor Obaseki, for all the support he has been giving to me all this while. In aspect of facility, he has been taking care of us. So that's why I came back with this medal to show appreciation. This bronze medal now, it really means a lot. Although this bronze medal is not really the medal I was aiming to. I worked towards gold, but I thank God gave me this medal. So this is just part of maybe improvement that I went there. I did go there to play or to waste my time there. For now, I don't have more competitions that I'm going to outside the country. We have a national sports festival. By the special grace of God, in my class, I have been winning 3 gold, all my medals there. So if really the 3 events is being completed in my class, by the special grace of God, I'm promising that I will come back with 3 gold medals there.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party on election day.